What's up guys, it's Josh. We're back here this evening in the Parker Performance Garage, and we're going to bring you another tech tip here for the EcoBoost Mustang. One of the things we deal with a lot is catch cans. Obviously it's one of our top 5 EcoBoost mods that we recommend. We always recommend the UPR dual valve catch can. Even still on some catted vehicles with the UPR dual valve catch can, you can end up still getting some smoke out of the exhaust. Also, if you're using a far inferior catch can product, you'll have an issue where you could still be getting smoke out of the exhaust. So what we typically do is we gut the PCV. So I just wanted to share a real quick video on how to make that real simple for you, a DIY at home. Any kind of cutting tool and you know, a good flathead screwdriver will get you in there. This unit here is the PCV itself. I'm going to show you where that's located on the car, but for now we're just going to work with the PCV itself. What we're looking at here is we're going to be looking at this collar here that holds this barb in. We're going to approach the collar here with our screwdriver. We're going to pop that loose. We're going to pull this barb out, and then we're going to gain access to gutting the PCV. All right, so you're just going to take your screwdriver. You're going to find the largest opening that you can get your screwdriver wedged into. And you're just going to peel that apart there a little bit. And it may fight you. And you're just going to pop the collar loose. And you want to be careful as to when you're pulling up on the collar here. You got to get both of the clips unseated. There it goes. Now you can remove the barb. From here, our goal is inside of here is a spring and a piston, and we're looking to get rid of that. We're going to cut the edge of this off. If you can see right here how the bevel, the beveled edge right there, that's basically what we're going to use as our guide, and that's what I'm going to cut off. Okay, so we're just going to make the cut. I'm using a Milwaukee Fuel tool here, the cutoff tool. You can use a Dremel, whatever you have. Okay, once you cut the edge off and you remove your trimmings, gut your PCV. Ta-da! Alright, so you've got a couple springs and a piston. And so now, with that removed, this becomes completely blow through. There's no check valve in the way. There's nothing that's going to close it. It's going to allow the PCV to function full freely all the time. All you're going to do is reinstall this in reverse on your PCV. We're going to take our collar, put it back on our barb. We're going to slide our barb back in. And we're going to place our collar. There we go. Alright, so with the collar back on, barb in place, she's completely gutted. Now you're getting air all the time.